What is interactive whiteboard technology? An interactive whiteboard is a tool which can be used in the classroom. In present day, it is most often a digital version which all students can access and contribute to in the classroom. Another way to describe it is an electronic tool where a computer projects images onto an interactive whiteboard by a digital projector. Examples of interactive whiteboards: smart boards, interactive flat panel displays, video collaboration boards, portable wireless smart marker and screens, touchscreens, interactive projectors. These range in price from anywhere from $100 to $40,000. Changes from past to present in digital whiteboarding. Basically, the changes shifted from the interactive whiteboard in 1991 to a digital flat panel touchscreen like a large iPad. What are some advantages of digital whiteboarding? Some advantages are group collaboration. Students can work together more easily. The ease of use, the flexibility it creates, the interactive technology, connection to the internet, virtual field trips, and classroom management. What are some disadvantages to digital whiteboarding? Insufficient training. Many times students or teachers are not familiar with digital devices, so they have to learn and you have to teach them. Remote access problems. Our Wi-Fi is not always the best. Time requirements it takes to make and create these programs and boards. Projection problems. The future of interactive whiteboards in education. It will increase more and more as online learning becomes the norm, because teachers will be able to teach students more effectively with the multisensory images and audio. It also will aid teachers as there are fewer teachers in the school system. Also, multisensory learning, as so many students are accustomed to digital devices, this will help them to learn. What do I think about digital whiteboard technology? I think it is absolutely needed. It's a must as we're in the midst of a pandemic at the moment. Also, to aid parents who do not want their children in the schools. And online schooling is increasing all the time, and digital whiteboards will help provide excellent learning tool. It will help to provide seamless and beautiful imagery and possibilities in showing children images of history and geography so they can see places they might not ever be able to see otherwise. How will I use this in my elementary classroom? I will use it to design lessons, show videos of historical sites, to help my students to participate in math class. I can create math problems that are interactive. I can use colorful text to teach them phonics sounds, teaching them to read. I can take them on field trips virtually to faraway locations. so glad I did because I learned so much about technology that I didn't know. Learned how to do screencasting, how to upload videos to YouTube, how to create a blog, and make all kinds of meeting presentations, the picture chart, slides, making PowerPoint, adding audio and music. There's so many things that I really think and a great teacher. And she added a lot of good, lots and lots of great information expressed to me. And I really appreciate These are my references. There are so many great websites to find out more about digital whiteboarding. So I just click through them and look at them. I think you'll find them quite interesting. Thank you for listening.